In this video, I will show you how to fix the VCRUNTIME140.dll is missing error on Windows. If this video helps you, please like and subscribe. This error usually appears when Windows cannot find the required Visual C++ runtime files, which are needed to run many games and applications. Fix 1. Install Microsoft Visual C++, recommended. This is the safest and correct solution. Open your browser and search for Microsoft Visual C++ Redistributable. Open the official Microsoft website. Scroll down to latest supported Visual C++ Redistributable. Download both versions. VC_edist.x64, VC_edist.x86. Even if you are using a 64-bit PC, you must install both. After downloading, open x64 first. Check I agree, then click Install. When finished, close it. Now open x86, agree, and install it. Restart your PC after both installations are complete. In most cases, the error is fixed after this step. Fix 2. Manually add VCRUNTIME140.dll, optional. Only use this method if the error still appears. Open Start menu and search System Information. Check System Type. x64, based PC download x64DLL. x86, based PC download x86DLL. Search VCRUNTIME140.dll download on Google. Download the file from a trusted DLL website. The file will download as a zip. Right-click Extract All. Copy the .dll file. Go to this PC drive Windows System 32. Paste the DLL file there. Restart your PC. Final step. After restarting, launch the game or app again. The VCRUNTIME140.dll missing error should now be fixed.
Rearrange them. Staying on pace, running the race. Life is a chase, I don't want a place. I wanna be first. Work till it hurts, dehydrated thirst till I'm in a hearse. High ambitions in the right mind can take you so far. It's like you lived a few lifetimes. Take off, I'ma break off from the weak minds. They can stay soft. You can change lives, you create thoughts, never waste time. You got